Why does washing your glass in a kitchen leave streaks every single time? The U.S. Geological Survey classifies water as hard when it contains more than 120 milligrams per liter of dissolved calcium and magnesium. Much of Ontario, especially homes on well water, many major municipal supplies fall well into that range. Those minerals are harmless to drink, but they're the reason glassware streaks, faucets dull, and shower doors look cloudy no matter how often you clean them. A water softener uses an ion exchange to swap those hard minerals out before the water reaches your tap. That's the actual reason a softened home looks different. Hard water can shorten the life of appliances you've already paid for. Inside a water heater, hard water minerals form scale on the heating element and at the bottom of the tank. That scale acts as insulation, so the heater works harder to do the same job. Dishwashers and washing machines move that same hard water through pumps, valves, seals every cycle. None of these appliances stop working overnight from hard water. They just wear much faster. Manufacturers and energy agencies have long recommended softener water for this reason. Installing a softener is one of the new upgrades that protects multiple appliances at once, quietly in the background. You shouldn't have to scrub the same shower door every weekend. Soap scum isn't really worried about the soap. When soap reacts with calcium and magnesium in hard water, it forms an insoluble film that sticks to glass, tile, and fixtures. That's why no matter how good the cleaner is, the scum comes back. Soft water doesn't produce that reaction in the same way, so soap rinses away instead of bonding to surfaces. People often expect a softener to feel like a fancy upgrade. In practice, the most common feedback after installation is much simpler. The bathroom stays cleaner with less effort. That's a real daily change. Your skin and hair notice hard water before you do. Dermatology research has shown that hard water can disrupt the skin's protective barrier and make conditions like eczema worse, particularly in children. For people without skin conditions, hard water still leaves a soap and mineral residue that makes skin feel dry or tight after a shower, and hair feel heavy and rough. None of this is dramatic. It's a slow background effect that most people just get used to. Once a softener is installed, many homeowners notice a change in their skin and hair in the first couple of weeks. It's one of the more personal reasons to install one. A softener isn't a luxury upgrade, it's home protection. Cleaner glassware, longer lasting appliances, easier to clean bathrooms, softer skin and hair, less soap and detergent used per load. All of these come from one piece of equipment doing one job: removing the hardness of your water before it enters the rest of your home. For Ontario homeowners on hard, municipal, or well water, a softener is one of the most practical investments you can make in your house. Superior Water Purification handles water softener installations across Ontario. Size for your home and your water. Get a quote at superiorwaterpurification.ca.